Waiting kami for boarding.
Waiting only. Ecco la mamma, girati. Hello. Con le valigie. Okay. Maliit lang po ang Champina Airport. Sobrang liit.
Sa Budapest Airport. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, si Jocelyn. Mag-aas ng ticket. Dito kami sasakay 100E. Going to center. Ah, wait for us. May shuttle na express from the airport. Ito, ang binayaran ni Joy sa dalawang ganto ay 4,400 Fiorino. Bali 11 yun sa euro. Kaya, 550 bawat isa sa amin. Ayan. So, bumaba na kami sa bus shuttle namin naghaling airport. Kasi ito na yung metro station. Ayan. Connected na siya sa hotel namin. Jocelyn! Try daw namin. Ayan, bili si Joy. Ang ticket pa metro.
Kasi ang isa 450, 1 euro. 1 euro 10, quello che.
Okay.
Pero ang 10 peraso, 4.000.
Okay, 4,000. Bali 10 euro.
10 euro.
Yeah, 10 euro. Ayan, bibilihin ni Joy yung 10 pieces ticket kasi may konting madi-discount kaysa sa single-single.
MA.
Ha? Dito iba-validate ticket. Tapos walang, ano, Joy? Tornelli? Ha? Wala tornelli. Yung bakal. Ibig sabihin ni Joy. So, ayan. Ganun. Iba-validate na.
May nagbabantay pala doon. Kita-kita.
Ayan, kukunik kami sa M1. Anong ano natin, station? Osok Tere. Yan yung aming hotel, Ibis Hotel. Ayun, ay, nakamura kami kanina. 800 lang. Doon 1,000. Iba-iba yung pricing niya. Metro.
Info point.
Kaya nga, info point siguro. nandito na kami sa stop na to ng metro. Nandito yung aming hotel. Grabe. Na-maintain nila yung yung old style. Grabe, pati pinto. Oh, pinto lang ng metro yan. People Square daw, sabi ni Joy. Ayan, yung under, construction. So, si Jocelyn. Malamig malamig. Malamig Ayan. So, dun daw yung aming hotel. That way. And lapit lang from the metro. 5 minutes walk. Ayan. Ito na yung hotel namin. Ibis Hotel. Lamig! Lamig dito. Ayan, si Joy na nag-check in. 4th floor kami.
First floor, sabi niya, di ba?
Akala ko 4th floor.
Ang parinig ko po, first? Ay, oo nga, vero. Kasi 406.
Kasi ganun yan, anak. Pag nasa, yung start floor ka. Pag nasa 3 yung start, 3rd floor. 406. Ang ganda ng room. Ayan, lagay ko na agad yung jacket ko. Daming shelves, lagayan. May TV. Ayun si Jocelyn. Tig-isa kaming single bed. Tapos nandito yung banyo. Ready na kami. Magdi-dinner.
Ready na sila.
Malamig kaya prepare kami. Naka-guantes. Naka-sharpa. Naka-sombrero. Sana makapasok kami. Kasi ang daming tao.
Itong goulash, seguramente.
Moini, kasama ka pala. Bawal ka dito. Bawal ang dog. Naka-wait to be seated kami kasi punong-puno namimili na si Joy ng menu para may automatic na. Sulit naman yan. Ayan, waiting to be seated kami ng Joyce. Ang dami kasing tao.
Ito rin.
Binigyan na si Joy ng menu para mamaya ready na.
Questo. Ito.
Joy nag-order. Soup. Grabe, dami pala ng portion nila. It's a beautiful Saturday. Ito yung view namin mula dito sa room namin. So, magbe-breakfast kami ni Joy sa baba. Kahapon nga pala, yung dinner namin, 13,900 for rent. So, sa euro, mga 35. So, not bad kasi nga, traditional ano yun eh. Resto. Hungarian food. Tas ganun lang. Dalawa kami, diba? Sobrang busog na busog kami. So, ayan. Punta muna kami. Ang cozy dito. Breakfast na kami ni Joy. Wow. Ito yung mga napili namin. Buffet nga kasi yung yung breakfast. So, pwede kang bumalik-balik. Si Joy nag-prepare ng coffee. Ayun, si Joy. Ganda ng place. Ang laki. Ang cozy. Ayan, grabe. Heavy breakfast kami ni Joy ngayon. Kasi malayo na ka rin. Kumuha na akong water para mamaya sa Bardi. Kain tayo. Ganyan na siya. Pagbusog na. Nagbubukoni. Iniipon niya sa sa bibig niya yung food. Jocelyn. Lunch na raw niya. Grabe, nakakabusog dito. Sulit yung breakfast na 6 euro per head. Kasi sa totoo lang, pwede ka pang bumalik-balik. Buffet. Pero hindi na kami makabalik dahil mabilis mabusog. Ayan. Yan si Joy. Nagbubukon eh. Ayan. Ready to go na kami.
Ready to go na kami.
Ayan. So, yan. Dito iba-validate. Kaya nagtatanong si Joy sa information. Bali dito, bawat platform ng bawat station may platform attendant. Ayan. Grabe, diba? May platform attendant. So, ayan. Ititimbro dito or iba-validate. Pag ganito. Dito. Grabe, diba? Na-maintain nila yung yung old style. Tapos malinis siya. Luma yung mga metro nila. Yung mga train. Pero malinis. Ayan lang ang metro lines nila, 4. Yellow, red, blue, and green. Ayan. Dito walang attendant. Usually, may attendant dyan, no? Nandiyan. Nakaka-boring na boring. Yung trabaho. Paano basahin to? Grabe, diba? Yung mga pinto ng metro nila. Ganito. Antik. Ayan yung taxi dito. Kulay yellow. Maganda yung araw ngayon. Si Jocelyn. hinahanap ni Joy yung ano, yung big bus ano. Ito, yung ano, yung pinaka fermata. Ayan, big bus. Big bus, Budapest. Ayan, dati ni Joy trabaho, diba, sa big bus. Bago siya mag-Ayla, boom. Sightseeing, collab din pala sa ano, sa big bus. Ooh. Ako English, si Joy Italian niya, nilagay yung language. Buti ba siya may payong doon? Lamig dito ngayon. Kanina pag-gising na ni Joy, tubig. Ayun, may nagdo-dog-sit din. Bus nila. Ayan, mga building daw na to ay mga 100 to 120 years. Ayan. Ito, church. Ponte Bianco daw. May tram din sila.
And this is stop number 17 of Bacchani Square. Stop number 17 of Bacchani Square.
Ayan o, pwedeng mag-funicular dun, pero ang haba nga ng pila. Ay, ang ganda.
University Railway Station.
Station pala yan. Grabe, ang ganda. Sobrang sulit mag-hop on, hop off. Ang daming ikot. Tram. Mag-working tour kami ni Joy. Included to sa binayaran. Naka-umbrella yung tour guide. Walking tour, 1 hour. Kasama dun sa 35 euro na binayaran. Kasama dun yung hop on, hop off na bus. And then walking tour na 1 hour. And yun sa boat. Sa river boat mamaya. Di ba sobrang sulit? 35 euro.
Yung ticket. So, kung gusto mo lang makasunod, pwede rin mo.
Yes, first timer ng Budapest. 13 countries kami mga nag-walking tour. Tinatanong niya kung galing saan-saang lugar. May taga-US, may Australia, may England. Taas mo bandera dyan. Ireland. Philippines. Kami lang taga-Philippines. St. Stephen. 1859.
More than 50 years. British Basilica, and it was built only by donation.
Parang market.
Do you know this place? Have you been here before? Okay, yeah. But in the early
Visit the
afternoon,
museum
like 2 or
pla.
3 p.m., you can go there as a family, coke, lemonade. But you have Hungarian blood or Hungarian friends. Usually invite you for here are visible in the middle, like 7 equestrians or riders who came here.
Nasa Elizabeth Square tayo. Ito yung pinaka-heart of the Budapest daw. Kasi dito nagko-connect yung mga metro.
Okay, you put the kings and governors. Okay. This building
I-explain yung teddy bear.
for more than 72 years. And they move to the other side, like Buddha, or prestigious, you know, top of the hills, nice panorama. But after 70 years, they left here one peaceful memory or legacy. Who's there? Can you guess?
Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean study. But it might be.
Ito si Michael Jackson.
Okay, so these are 3 stars, Michael Jackson Memorial 3, MG, King of the Pop Music. If you have ever been to Prague, there is a John Lennon Memorial Wall. And here in Budapest, Michael Jackson. The question is why?
Why?
He visited the city 3 times and he always stayed this hotel, the Kempinski. One of the best, obviously. And he stayed in his presidential suite.
Wow.
So the fans were gathering round the tree, waving to Michael through the windows. He waved back, so
MJ.
that's why the
Ito si Michael Jackson.
Okay, so these are 3 stars: Michael Jackson, Memorial 3, MG, King of the Pop Music. If you have ever been to Prague, there is a John Lennon Memorial Wall. And here in Budapest, Michael Jackson. The question is why?
Why?
He visited the city 3 times and he always stayed this hotel, the Kempinski. One of the best, obviously. And he stayed in his presidential suite.
Wow.
So the fans were gathering round the tree, waving to Michael through the windows. He waved back, so
MJ.
that's why the I have no idea what we should do. Do we have architects in the group?
Joy.
Nobody. Okay. Do you think how many meters high the Ferris wheel is? I need a number and I have to less or more. 40. Higher.
Pinahuhulaan ng tourist guide gano'n daw kataas.
85
85 meters.
85. And I took it twice with my students. I don't want to you, but it's not a life-changing experience. So, let's use the chain bridge. No idea why.
Painter siya.
Dislike the chain bridge, but now as
Pero hindi niya inano yung...
Okay, no option. It's a never-ending project, never-ending job. He's painting the chain bridge. This was the first
hindi niya
permanent
pinaint
bridge in
yung-
Budapest.
Yun. Ayun yung chain bridge.
He's a perfectionist. And
May 2 lines daw dito, may 2 lines din sa kabila.
like in front of a real lion. He was sitting in front of a real lion, he was inspired, working on his masterpieces. And when he finished, he said that the lions are professional. No mistake.
Kinig na kinig si Jocelyn. Dito pa rin kami. Thank you. Thank you. Ano, Joy? Gusto mo i-try?
Ano siya yung matamis?
Nakatayo kami ni Jocelyn. Wala eh. Walang upuan.